Hello everyone. Now I told you that we're going to make a house cleaning video. So today is cleaning my kitchen. And I'm gathering all the trash on one side and I have to do the dishes, which I started, and clean off the counter and sweep. So this is just what you call a quick cleaning video for now, because it'll be more in detail as I make more house cleaning videos. So I just gotta do my dishes real quick. And I probably will make a second cleaning video today, because I have a goal of cleaning a certain amount every day. Y'all already know my motto. I believe in when you start something, go fast with it. So once the motivation leaves, you already have a habit, and you can still continue it because of your habit. So I'm probably going to make like at least 1 or 2 videos of a house cleaning video, because I really have a lot of things I want to take care of in my house immediately. So that will help making more videos so y'all can see pretty much some of the things I do in a day, for us as getting my house organized and keeping my house clean. I hope y'all can hear me pretty good. Okay, I'm going to bring you a little closer, so I know it's going to go kind of in and out. So the reason why I'm bringing you closer is because, hold on. Okay. The reason why I'm bringing you closer is because soon we're going to talk a little bit about my weight loss. So I was saying the light is not that bright in here, but it's okay. I think y'all can see. Oh, y'all can't even see me. Sorry. I didn't realize where the camera was at, so y'all couldn't even see me. But it's okay. Now I want to focus on something else. I'm going to show you what it is. Okay, it's a chart, and I don't know if you can see it. I have to really, I guess, come close. I want to show you. I don't even know, can you see the numbers? Alright, okay. So here, I started my lifestyle plan. I ate out. I had a lot of sugar, lots of sugar. I ate out, it was on a Monday. And then on Tuesday, I was 210. And then on Wednesday, I went down to 208. And Thursday, I went down to 204. Now, the F is for because I fast this day. I fast Wednesday, and it went down Thursday morning to 204.2. Friday, I went down. I kept it at 204.0. I ate pretty good. Saturday, I had a binge, but I guess not bad enough where it really went up. It went up about 0.8. Okay, that was Saturday. Now we have the next Saturday, which is 204.0. So I had a binge. So remember, when you see binge, it means Saturday I had a binge. When you see binge for Saturday, it means Friday I had a binge to make that number. So it's kind of going back. So I actually lost weight because my binge wasn't as bad. It is a binge, but it's as less. So I actually lost 0.8 pounds again. That. Ooh, what do that mean? F-O. Oh, eat. That's E-O. The E is erased. Ate out. I ate out. What day is that? Monday. So I ate out Monday, and I went up 0.2, which wasn't bad. I think I had Chinese food. Yeah. You know how you eat Chinese food and you feel like you didn't eat nothing after a while? I guess there's a reason for it. You don't really gain weight too much if you don't eat too much. The next day, I was 203.6. I stopped eating at 7 o'clock, and I lost weight. I don't remember what that S means. I have to remember. I think I had sugar, but it was fine. Okay, I did the OMAD, but I ate out. So I did the one meal. I ate out. Today is Wednesday, the following Wednesday. And I maintained. So that was good. So this day I fast to get this number. That's 201.0. And that's Thursday. Then I went to 203.6. What did I say? I ate this green smoothie. It was like a green smoothie that I bought from the store this day, and to get me this number, my weight went up. So be careful with those green smoothies in the store. They're not really healthy for you. 205.6. I did a big binge this day to get this number that morning. I weigh myself early every morning to get this number, okay? Now we down to this week. Well, last week, and today is, this week. So Sunday I did 207.2 that morning, a big binge, so it went up from Saturday. 205.8, I did one meal, so it went down. 204.0, I did another one meal this day to get that number. And then this day I did I ate out. I'm not sure what I did, but I ate out, and it was 2.4.4, so I just gained 4 pounds. So I'm doing really good consistency-wise, but here I fast this day to get this number. So it went down to 197.8, which is very well. And then this day I had, that number means something. You figured it out, okay? I had a lot of ice cream sandwiches. And it took me from 197 to 199 today. And because I know because I ate so much, it's still going to linger, that it just got worse. This day, I had 2 more ice cream sandwiches this day, which now I'm 203.2. So, we have to do this one tomorrow, which is Sunday, which is, what's today's date? Is it either the 10th or 11th? I had to look, of November? I'm not sure. I'll put it down in my description box of what today is. So and this is, I don't know if it's accurate, but this is my body fat percentage. This is my water. This is my muscle mass, very low, and my bone mass. Okay? So, that's that. Yeah, so I don't know if you can see me. I hope you can. But, you know, my plan is for this week, from Sunday to Saturday, I want to get into the lower 90s, like 193. I would love to see 193. I haven't seen 193 in a long time. So, I'm hoping to get to 193. If I do what I'm supposed to, I could actually see 80s. If I actually do all the steps that I'm supposed to do. But we'll see. We're going to see how it comes out. I'll tell you what my numbers are tomorrow. The reason why I put so close up was personally for myself, because I have to, when I'm done with next week, I have to erase all of that and put it on another sheet of paper so I can kind of see. But what I was telling you in the last video, I realized that I binge every about 5 days. So I do good for about close to 5 days, and then it's like, oh no, I need sugar in my life, and it's a disaster. And it takes me about 2 to 3 days to get out of it. Yeah, I end up messing up for about 3 days. So about 3 days, it takes me about 3 days to get back to the number that I was before I did the binge. So that's a problem. That's too much. That's too much, because you figure I'm doing all these days where I'm barely eating just to go and mess up what I'm doing. I mean, that's, that's like running 5 miles to get to a certain place and find out it's not even there. So why did you even run there in the first place? Unless you really want, you kind of waste your time. So we're going to work on that. I want to buy some fiber. I want to start putting fiber in my food. And I'm going to start on some vitamins. Vitamin C. I got to go to the health food store. I bought a vitamin C. I'm not going to really say what it is, but I don't really believe that was really good for me to take. So it was like a powder vitamin C. So we're not going to talk about that. Anyway, so that's what I want to do. I want to go get some vitamins. I want to go get a detox tea, and I want to go get what else I said? A fiber. I want to go buy some fiber, and we'll see how the numbers go next week. So right now I'm at 203.2, and we'll see next week. Can we get in the 90s and out the 90s? What you think? You think I could do it? Well, we'll see. Just being, if I could hit 90s all the way through, I would be happy for the whole week, and never, I don't want to never see 200s again. I told myself years ago I would never see that number, 210. I said I would never. And it's been 3 weeks now, and I'm still in the 200s. But I'm okay, because I'm starting a pattern. I'm starting a habit. So my motivation is very high right now for me to lose this weight. So like I said, by the time my motivation leaves, which it will. So if y'all see I'm not making videos, be like, hey, where you at? Because I'm doing something I'm supposed to do. That's why I'm not making videos. So 203. So I'm thinking 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. By next Saturday, that's 7 days. There's no reason why I should not see an 80 at least once. I'm not saying I'm going to stay in the 80, but I want to see 80. I probably end up right back in the 90s, but it's fine. If I could see an 80 for a second, I'll be happy. Okay? So, thank everyone. I'm thanking everyone for coming and spending this time with me and helping me to get back on track with, the house and my weight loss goals. And I will be watching you too. So just let me know if you're down there. If you're out there and you're watching. And that way, that's a reminder to me sometimes to, okay, let me go see what they're doing. But sometimes I get caught up with what I'm doing. And, a lot of y'all are very motivation for me to keep going. That's why I subscribe to you. And so thank you. And I'll see you either later, because I have to clean my living room. Actually, I need to clean the bathroom. The bathroom I probably need to do before the living room. What you think? Maybe. We'll see. Which one I pick, I'm not sure. But, yeah, I might make another video tomorrow. And then I have to wash clothes Monday. Monday is a very busy day. I got a lot of appointments to do. But I need to wash a load. I want to go back to doing that 1 load a day. So I won't never have to worry about dirty clothes in my house. Anyway, thank you for coming. Bye.